Hey people, welcome back to my channel. The thing is, today I have purchased a cinematic soundbar for my TV viewing experience. So this video is basically the unboxing of that soundbar, just to show you that what exactly I have purchased and what are the reviews about this. So guys, I have purchased this Cinema SV150 for my TV viewing experience, and I'll be putting this soundbar along with my television. But the thing is, this soundbar will not be placed in this room, it will be placed in somewhere else, and I'll be sharing the experience with you about the sound quality. So let's do the unboxing first. Okay guys, so this box contains this whole big box. It contains two boxes. One is this bigger box and one is this smaller box. The smaller box contains, wow, okay, this contains the soundbar itself. Wow, man, wow, seriously, the soundbar is very yes, this soundbar is very sleek, and it has got this shiny surface on the top. But I'm afraid that in future while using, I'll be mounting this soundbar on the wall just above my television. So I'm afraid that in future this will get scratches, because साफ करना पड़ेगा, मिट्टी बैठेगी, गंदा होगा, तो उसमें scratches आ जाएंगे. Okay, this is the soundbar which I'm getting in this box. It contains only the soundbar. Another box is this box, and it's pretty heavy. And the way to open this box is like, see, I'm very bad at unboxing because I'm in very much hurry to see what's inside the package. Okay, this box contains. This box contains, this box contains, this box contains. Okay guys, so this box contains one subwoofer which is wireless. The great thing about this JBL soundbar is that it comes with a wireless subwoofer with a remote, with a user guide. This is some auxiliary cable. Okay, this is an auxiliary cable. These are the clamps to mount these, and this is the AV cable and the power cord of this woofer. So it's time to unwrap this woofer. Oh my god, I've placed this upside down. So this is the woofer, and it is pretty much good in condition. It's really good. See, the thing is, it is a mat. The major benefit of the soundbar is that you can place it anywhere under the range of 10 meters under the Bluetooth connectivity. It comes with this pair option, and there's a button with the light blinking on this. So, okay. So guys, I have made each and every connection. Actually, the connection was tedious. My subwoofer was not getting connected with this soundbar. So I have connected my soundbar with my woofer wirelessly. This is the power cord. This is the power cord of the soundbar, and my soundbar is connected to my laptop. Actually, I'm sort of a poor guy. I don't have that much of good technology, so I'm using Windows Phone. So that is why I have not connected my soundbar with the Windows Phone. I have connected my soundbar with my laptop. So I'll be playing my songs wirelessly on my soundbar with the subwoofer. So the thing is, the quality of soundbar music is seriously good. Basically, initially I found the bass of the subwoofer was not up to that level, but it is not a music system, it is a soundbar which gives you a cinematic look. It is not a pub or it is not a disc with massive bass. It is a subwoofer, a cinematic soundbar with a subwoofer with an apt bass which is needed in a theater or in a movie, in some sort of movie experience. So the bass, according to me, is apt. It could be a little more, but at this budget, this is good. I almost forgot to tell you, I bought this soundbar online for around 14,500 rupees. And see, the thing is, at this price, we are getting other home theater as well. But the point of getting home theater, I don't get. Basically, there are 3 speakers in front and 2 speakers as at the rear. But the purpose for which I have bought this soundbar does not satisfy my the home theater does not satisfy my need. So for that purpose I have purchased this soundbar, because the rear 2 speakers of the home theater, they are basically the surrounding speakers. They are not the main speakers. You get only music in them, you don't get vocals in them. But my room where I would be putting this soundbar is massive, huge. So for that I have purchased, because the front voice would be coming from the television and the rear voice would be coming from this soundbar. Okay, now let me get to this. I have got this auxiliary port. I can directly connect pen drive to this. I have got this auxiliary port. You can connect your mobile, you can connect your iPod, iPhone, anything you can connect to this. You can connect all them to this wirelessly via Bluetooth. This is connected to this via what range I don't know, but this is wirelessly. I think so. This is connected to this via Bluetooth only. So guys, that's it. I don't think I have left anything. This comes with a standby mode. This is a source selection. Source selection is a optical mode, the AV mode, the Bluetooth mode. This is these two are the volume button. This is the mute button. This is the Bluetooth button, and that's it. Okay, so I have compared 2 products online. One was Philips and another was JBL. But Philips doesn't come with a wireless woofer, and this comes with a wireless woofer. So this is a totally benefit. You can put anywhere within the range of 5 meter. But I was reading on this reviews, and it says that it also works under the 10 meter range. So that would be a perfect. The 5 meter is the safest. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you seriously like this video, give us a thumbs up. Please comment down. Please, there's a box, give a comment down if you want to ask anything about this thing, anything. Also, please subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much. खाओ पियो ऐश करो, मित्रों, बंदर किसी को दिखाओ मत, and stay tuned to GD. Bye.